good. Alright. Yo, it's all VLLO. Heart, 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 heart. Just for you because I love you guys.
What the hell is even that?
In today's video, I'll be cutting my hair. Okay, so I already prepared my scissors and my razor. By the way, you guys, it's like 3 a.m. in the morning and I barely sleep during quarantine because of Sahur. Yeah, I kind of ruined my deep sleep schedule, so we're just gonna deal with it. But for now, I gotta do this. Okay, why am I going to cut my hair? Because not really, I'm not gonna cut the whole hair. I'm just gonna cut like some few hairs. I mean, oh my god, I can't even control, like I have to go to the barbershop, but I can't because the barbershops are closed during quarantine, so I can't do nothing besides looking like this. And yeah, we're just gonna deal with it. So we're just gonna cut some of the hair that I think might not look good on me, and I can follow what I'm gonna do because I really have no idea what I'm gonna do. But I think I'm gonna cut this part first. I'm so sure of this because it's a bit annoying to see. Like I have to cut that area, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. I'm a bit scared right now, like, but I'm not ready. Oh, don't laugh. Gosh. Okay. Okay. Satisfying. I mean, it looks fine. I'm not complaining for now. I'm gonna keep that aside. We're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna just cut a little bit. Okay. I mean, so far so good. Should I cut this area? Actually, I'm gonna keep it for now. Let's see if I disappear this area. Keep it or not keep it? Man, I'm nervous. I don't know. Let's just leave it like that. I don't. Yeah, unfortunately, we're not gonna use this. Maybe a little bit. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna actually cut my sideburns. Do we call it sideburns? I really don't know. Clean this area first. We're just gonna like make this straight. Okay, we're doing it, guys. Oh my. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I'm just cutting very little because... Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh. Oh my. Oh, we're gonna cut the others, sweetie. We're just gonna cut the others. Ooh. Ooh, it's straight now.
Oh my god! Wow!
Not sure how I feel. I wish I had my parents with me, but they're in a different country, so I can't tell them. This is fun. What a fun journey. I'm a professional haircut stylist, so if you want to hit me up, call me. Period. Period. Do I look cute? Do I look sassy?
Actually, I want you guys to call me sassy because I'm tired of people calling me cute.
So yes.
There's still hair. This is what happens if you wear a white shirt.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep my mustache because... Why? I don't know.
Hi. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I make new videos like this. Actually, not
Like that. No, not like this. No.
more like, what do I make? Fun content. Actually, I'm gonna experiment new things. And hopefully it works out pretty well. So yeah, if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button. Comment down below if you have cut your hair and turn out good or bad. Just let me know. And yeah, I'ma see you next time. Bye guys. Love. What was that?